Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another review, and today we're going to do the Dewalt cordless or corded inflator. Let's check it out. All right, first up we're going to unbox this thing, and then we're going to do a review of all the features and then some testing. All right, let's pop this baby open. Well, that came out pretty easy. There's the unit, and then we have the paperwork. Well, here's the instruction manual, but I don't think we'll be needing that. All right, so this looks like this is the high pressure side. This is going to be for like airing up car tires and stuff like that. And then on the other side, we have the low pressure, high volume, and this is going to air up like pool toys and an air mattress or something like that. And as you can see over here, we have a convenient spot to store some of the little attachments. And oh, this is so that we can actually air up like basketballs, soccer balls, things like that. That's a pretty cool feature. I like that you can have everything contained. Okay, so on the bottom here, this is where we'd put our Dewalt battery in there. We're going to be using a 20 volt. Over on this side, this is where we can use the 12 volt and plug it into a cigarette lighter on a car. And that plugs in there. All right, first up to bat, we're going to do this pool floaty, and we're going to use a battery power. So this is a Dewalt replacement. You can use Dewalt batteries, 20 volt or the replacements. And this is a Whately. Click that in there. Hit the power button, and then we're on PSI for tire inflator side. If we hit this button here, now we're going to be on the air inflator side for the blower. We're going to click this hose in here, quarter turn to lock it in. Now we're going to time it and see how long it takes. Well, all right, that worked pretty well. So let's pull the car in and air up a tire. Okay, so we just pulled out the 12 volt cigarette lighter adapter, plugged it in. I do like this has an extra long cord on it. That's nice. We'll plug it into our cigarette lighter. Okay, now we're going to go for the high pressure tire inflator side. And this should just thread right on there. Also, if it's nighttime, you can kick on the LED light to help you be able to see what you're doing. So that's also a nice feature. So we're on the tire inflator side, and then you actually move this dial and go up to whatever pressure you want. So, I don't know, we'll go to 30 and hit start. Low power. Well, let's fire the car up. It says it didn't have enough power, so we're going to give it the power. Okay, let's try that again. Went up to 30 psi. You can see our set point was over here, and then this was the actual psi as it was going up. So it does take a little bit of power. We did have to fire the car up to do it. Real quick, just to make sure that the battery will work, we'll unplug it from the car. Wow, that runs a lot better on 20 volts. Way faster. Well, there you have it. Works on battery or it works on the 12 volt from the car. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but I was using a Whately battery, and we've done actually 2 reviews on these. So if you want to check out, we'll have a link for the video in the description. All right, guys, there you go. Here's the Dewalt inflator. This thing's pretty sweet. Check it out. We'll have a link in the description. Don't forget to check out our website for some sweet apparel. Peace.